All right, guys, bear with me here. It's been 2 months since my last video, so today's just going to be a short summary here. I forgot my keys, so I can't. The door's gonna have to stay shut. It's a cold, windy January. Okay, I think I left you guys at harvest. Harvest is done. Harvest was completed back in November. We did pretty good considering we had the drought. It wasn't my best year ever, but we managed to get a crop, and a decent crop, considering it didn't rain almost all summer long when the crop needed it the most. So I am still working full time. Today's Saturday. This is the first weekend in 3 weeks that I've had 2 days off, so it's nice. I want to enjoy it. I do have people asking me for videos, so I want to try to keep YouTube alive and keep you guys posted. We still are farming. There's no, PA Farms isn't going anywhere just yet. So we have been doing some things to get ready for the 2021 growing season. I did order my liquid nitrogen. I got a great deal on it this year. We hit a low somewhere in the winter there, and through my neighbor I was able to piggyback on his order. We got a little more quantity, so we got a good deal, very good deal on fertilizer for 2021 here for the corn. As far as equipment repair videos, I do need to service everything. It's overdue. I did not order any filters or anything. I got to do that, and I want to wait till early spring when it's a little warmer, and we're gonna do the service on everything. I did videos of servicing this stuff, and I have a lot of people asking questions about this or that or the next thing, so I want to cover some of that stuff this spring. Hopefully we'll see, time permitting. Okay, so I posted the picture on Instagram and a post on YouTube here about a Cub Cadet 782. Here it is. Looks nothing like the picture. And I don't know how the lighting is, but you'll notice there's no engine, and that's fine. We're getting an engine. We're getting an engine. These mowers are pretty collectible, being that it's red. It's a red Cub Cadet. There's a box of parts. I do have the hood. I do have the grill. All the sheet metal's in really good shape. It's a solid mower. It looks like the engine must have just went out. And the earlier engines, I don't know if it's the KT17. There's a Series 1 and 2, and the 1 wasn't as good as the 2. So I think what I'm getting is a Series 2. Anyway, the 782 versus the 682, which was the smaller, it's just the hydraulics. It had this here has hydraulic deck lift, and it also has a set of hydraulic valves right here at the front for an attachment up front. So 127 hours, so I don't know if that's working, but it is the hydrostatic model, and we're going to put an engine in this thing and bring it back to life. I don't know what I'm doing with it yet, but we're going to put this thing together and give it a second life here at PA Farms. So it's red, it's collectible, kinda. I mean, they're out there. You can go on Craigslist and buy one pretty easily. It's not like you can't find them. So yeah, we'll make a series of videos on that. So all right, guys, I am still here. I am still around. I've been working like a dog. And spring's gonna be here before you know it. It always does. It comes so fast. So we're gonna try to make the progress that we can to keep on moving here. So as far as right now, the first bright spot of 2021, we got our nitrogen order in, and we got an excellent price. So that's good. First victory of 2021 anyway. So all right, I'll see you guys later, and thank you for watching.